Hello, for this particular video I'll be tackling the add assignment section, and I will use an existing project which is the phototherapy device to treat infant jaundice, and let's get straight to it. As you can see, we have various tabs on top. We have the overview, we have the work packages, we have the repository, assignment, members, and history. And on top we have clinical needs, device projects, resources, community, and this notification icon which were tackled in previous videos or videos that will come after this. So let's get straight to adding a new assignment. So we click on assignment, and here you can see a list of assignments that were issued to group members, and we have review ISO standards and review machine specification. So, and here you can see there is an add assignment section, and this is where we're going to click, and these are the details we're supposed to fill: title, description, and assignee. So the title, we shall say review logo design, and description, we shall say change the color of the logo to blue, and assignee, we shall give it to Noel Waithaka, and you can see the discard tab and add assignment. So we shall click on add assignment, and immediately the assignment which we've added comes at the bottom, which is the review logo design. And as you can see, as I said earlier, there's this notification tab which notifies the assigned person on the new assignment. Let's click and see, and there it is. Assignment review logo design was assigned to you, and yes, that's about it. Thank you for watching.